Hi, my friends, this is Krita, and let's see today's easy way to overlay gradient in Krita. For example, I have such a beautiful picture and you want to add some gradient. So let's go to the layer with our picture, do right click of your mouse on it, find layer style, and here you see a list and there is a gradient overlay. Let's choose this possibility and I did left click on it and see now. This is our picture, so let us choose what kind of gradient do we want. There is a gradient, there are some patterns. Let's choose, for example, this one. And no, I don't like this one, let it be that one. Okay, and now it can be linear like now or radial. I love radial, by the way. You will choose what actually you need, whether it's reflected, angle, diamond, and after you choose the style we can do some changes here. Just slide the sliders and choose whatever you want. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to click OK.